Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 24th May. Welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall focus on some of the important events happened on 24th May in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Wake up with determination, go to bed with satisfaction. Remember, who will imprint today's thought and work accordingly can never become a failure. Rather, he or she will reach the Everest of success. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1920 was Chief Minister of Odisha from 1977 to 1980, who had served as Health and Family Welfare Minister and then Forest and Environment Minister in Union government led by V.P. Singh? Answer: Nilamani Rautrai. Question number 2. Which Indian former Foreign Secretary born on this day in 1952 was Indian High Commissioner to United Kingdom from 9th December 2013 to 31st October 2015? Answer: Ranjan Mathai. Question number 3. Who founded Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental School on this day in 1875, which is currently famous as Aligarh Muslim University? Answer: Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental School became Aligarh Muslim University in 1920. Question number 4. Which wrestling coach died on this day in 1999, who is said to have produced brightest wrestlers like Dara Singh, Guru Satpal, Vijendra Singh, Sushil Kumar, etc.? Answer: Guru Hanuman. Question number 5. Which Urdu poet and Hindi film lyricist died on this day in 2000, who had won the Filmfare Best Lyricist Award in 1965 for the song Chahunga Main Tujhe in film Dosti? Answer: Majroo Sultanpuri. Question number 6. Which Indian revolutionary born on this day in 1896 became member of Gaddar Party at the age of 15 and was executed by the British at the age of 19 and was the ideal of Bhagat Singh? Answer: Kartar Singh Sarab. Question number 7. Which Queen of United Kingdom born on this day in 1819, who was granted with additional title of Empress of India on 1st May 1876? Answer: Queen Victoria. Question number 8. Which astronomer died on this day in 1543 had placed the sun rather than the earth at center? Answer: Nicholas Copernicus. Question number 9. Which English physicist born on this day in 1544 is remembered for his book The Magnet? Answer: William Gilbert. Question number 10. Which scientist born on this day in 1686 had invented mercury in glass thermometer? Answer: Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Question number 11. Which English nursery rhyme written in by Sarah Joseph Hale was published on this day in 1830, which is the first instance of recorded English verse and whose audio was first recorded by Thomas Edison's newly invented phonograph? Answer: Mary Had a Little Lamb. Question number 12. Which year on this day passenger rail service was introduced in the United States? Answer 1830. Question number 13. Which bridge connecting Brooklyn and Manhattan opened for the traffic on this day in 1883? Answer Brooklyn Bridge. Question number 14. Which pioneering English pilot was the first woman to fly alone from London to Australia this day in 1930? Answer Amy Johnson. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.